oil level was low on it, so we're going to check the oil on it real quick. Appears to be good, so we're going to check some other things. And this customer stated that they topped off the fluids that was 2 quarts low. So we're going to pull a spark plug first and check and see if there's any oil consumption in the spark plug. Now, it could just be one spark plug, it could be all of them. This is kind of just a base check, but won't tell you the full story, but it's just a quick check to look for oil consumption. Now, after removing the spark plug, there is some oil contamination on it and looks like it to be burning a little bit. Not a lot, but uh, looks like there could have been a situation where the engine ran low on oil. Maybe it wore out some of the cylinder rings. We could do a compression test, but we're just doing quick checks right here. So we're going to pull off the PCV valve next and look and see if that's clogged or dirty. It is a little bit dirty, but I can hear it rattling around still, so I think it's okay. We're just going to clean it up and put it back on with some brake clean. So we'll clean that up a little bit, reinstall it. The next thing I want to check on these two GRFE motors, the 3.5 liter that was Toyota and Lexus, there's a notorious leak around the timing chain area. So you got to take off the wheel, jack it up, put some jack stands underneath it, and take off this little cover, inner fender cover, to look at the side of the motor here. And these typically leak where the cylinder head meets up with the timing chain cover. So looking around here, there does appear to be some fresh oil that's leaking from this area, as you can tell as that mates up to the engine block there. Now, a lot of mechanics will tell you you need to take out the motor and replace the timing chain cover gasket. And this adds up to about a $5,000 to $6,000 job. So what we're going to do is change the oil and add this little product in here that I like to say is a miracle, AT205. It's a liquid polymer and it seals, it basically swells up gaskets and seals. That way you don't have any more leaks in those areas. Keep in mind, you will have to keep adding this product every time you do an oil change. It says it treats up to 6 quarts. In this application, we have about 6.5 quarts. So we'll call that good and say that the half quart over is okay. But this is a much better option, in my opinion, than pulling out the motor and spending $5,000 to $6,000. It'll work, it'll hold up. You just have to remember to change it out every time and keep a close eye on your oil. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.